Alright, what's up YouTube? Today, I'm going to show you guys how it sounds with the Corsa cap back. I had it straight pipe, but now we added the Corsa cap back. Cap back. Intake, no. Thank you. Here's the catch can. Like I said, trying to make it a Hellcat. Swapped out the Super Track and the Sport button for the SRT. And surprisingly, it's from a 2019, this, and the car's a 2016. With the taser, you guys gotta have the taser, obviously, to unlock everything, wherever that is. It's right here. Plug this guy in, gave me all the SRT pages. So, like, if I click it, let me shut the sunroof so you guys can see. So, click SRT, pages come up, my traction control, everything works, my launch, everything. But obviously I gotta be in drive for that. I changed the cluster. I gotta somehow change the miles though. The miles are originally what was on the cluster. And then I got this from a girl off Facebook for $220 for this and for this. And it comes with the silver, because as you guys know, the scat packs are black. Carbon fiber, SRT airbag, Hellcat cluster, Hellcat console, and Hellcat shifter. Next I'm going to do the steering wheel and the seats.